Hi, I'm Cindy.
And I'm Misty.
Today we want to talk about how to make your home look expensive, whether you're living in it or you're going to sell. Number one.
So when you are designing a room, be really conscious about the height of items. For one, when you're hanging pictures, I notice a lot of times that people hang them way too high. They should be about eye level, and most people, I'm guessing, are somewhere in the 5'6", 5'7" range, so be knowledgeable of that. And try to have that picture somewhere on that guideline in the middle of that is really, really important. The other thing is your drapes. Try to get those up as high as possible and make sure that you don't have high waters with your drapes. Make sure that they touch the floor. One of my pet peeves is to see when there's like a high window and someone just bought drapes that cover that window. Don't do that. Just go ahead and spend the extra money. Let them go to the floor, and if they puddle on the floor, that's actually kind of cool. It looks great. And here's another pet peeve of mine. On your coffee tables and your dinner tables and your kitchen island, if those are areas where people are congregating around and chit-chatting, last thing I want to see is something tall in the middle where I can't see somebody. And I notice every wedding I go to, they do the same thing, and everybody ends up drinking and taking it off so they can talk to the person across from them. So be mindful about when you're choosing. I'm assuming it's probably going to be a flower arrangement or something like that. Make sure that it is, you know, a little bit shorter so people can actually chit chat with each other, because that's why you're hanging out at an island or at your coffee table. So
Height matters.
So remember, you're living in this space, so the function of it is super important. And if you're a kitchen island, you want to make sure that everybody can chit chat with each other and converse. Same thing with your dining room. You want people to congregate around it and have a great time, not to be stopped by some huge flower design.
So number two would be layering. Layering is really important to make your home look expensive. Layer your rugs. Yes, you can put a couple rugs together, whether they're right on top of each other or separated a little differently. Bedding, pillows. There's a way of adding pillows and layering blankets and throws on your bedding to make it look expensive. Also layering of pillows on your couch. So layering is a big way to make it look more expensive.
Lighting, statement lighting. Don't be scared to use something. If you love it and it says that it's a dining room fixture, don't be scared to use that amazing fixture somewhere else. Don't let them put you in a box. If you love it, find a place for it, whether it's your bathroom, in your kitchen, so you can use it just about anywhere.
Lighting is not just about making your room looks special. Like when you go into, let's say you have an apartment and it has all the basic lighting, tear it all down, put up a couple statement lights, but it also brings mood to your living space, to your dwelling.
And warmth. And
Totally.
Who likes fluorescent lights? Nobody.
Not
Get
unless
rid
you're
of those.
7-Eleven middle of the night, you still don't like it.
And I see them in kitchens all the time and it drives me cray. Get rid of it. Go big. Get something that's moody and that fits your personality.
And have fun with it. It doesn't have to be boring, basic bitch. It could be like fabulous. The number 4 for us would be declutter. Clutter creates chaos and there's no peace in the house. Whether you're walking into an open house or you're living in this space, declutter. If you have a lot of stuff, compartmentalize it so it looks nice and tidy. It makes a big deal and it looks expensive.
Throw it out.
Or throw it out.
Give it away.
What Misty calls, whenever we walk into a home we're about to sell and we're looking at it, everybody has TMF.
Too much furniture.
So, I don't know, reduce. Give it away to somebody else, but you don't need so much furniture and you definitely don't need the clutter. It looks very cheap. Number 5.
Plants.
Real plants.
Go for the real plants. They are great for your oxygen level. Is that true?
Yes.
I don't know if that's true.
So there's actually a book that tells you what plants help with what thing in your home. Some clean the air, some give off certain scent, but real plants make it look rich. Imagine walking into your favorite nail place and they have a bunch of fake plants. How you feel? You're feeling luxurious in there? I don't think so.
And if you kill everything like I do, that's okay, because there are certain plants that are just low stress. So
Succulents, right?
you should look for
The
something like that.
cactus.
Yeah.
For sure. Real plants are living and it brings the outdoors in. So it's a very rich, it enriches your environment and makes it look expensive. When you go to a really nice hotel, you see a big bouquet of real flowers, not fake flowers. So those are 5 things. I know there's more. We'll get to those later, but that's a good start. For more tips,
Call 1-800.
So remember, to make your house look more expensive, to set it up for your open house, there are 5 things to start with: layering, lighting, height, decluttering, and real plants.
If you want some more tips, like and subscribe.
If you want more details, send us a comment, ask us questions. Those are fun.